Alright, so my mom got me our birthday gift. It's like bubble wrap that never ends. How do I open this? Pop-It fidget toys. Ooh la la, this is... Ow!
Did you punch yourself?
No. I almost did. Well, that's one of the weird things to do. Whenever I get startled, I go, ow! Like I was in pain or something. Oh, this is no fun.
No?
Actually, no. It is pretty fun. You know, the one thing they forgot?
What?
They forgot to make it that it makes a noise that sounds like a gunshot.
I think they do that on purpose so that you can do it at school or something rather than annoying everybody.
Imagine...
Does it feel satisfying?
Yeah.
To pop it?
Uh-huh. Well, imagine what would happen in school if they said, what comes before 47, and you say AK and then drop a duffel bag on the table. So it's like a blue Belgian waffle with like butter on it or something. Lots of food dye for extra diarrhea effect. I can't believe it, guys. I got my very own fidget toy. Mom, can you try and like hide it so like no one like sees new stuff and steals it? Please?
Who's gonna steal it? Your dad?
No, Mom, can you actually though cover it up with something?
Where? Now?
Yes.
What is that? What are you driving? What do you do while we're running?
What, the rest of the bags?
Oh, the rest of the bags.
Yeah, can you cover them up? Or put them on the floor or something? So no one sees them and wants to steal them. So this is why, do you think I should have another gift?
What?
Do you think I should take another gift or no? Wow, Mom, I haven't gotten any cards from Lisa and Dave or anything. What's with that?
God, I don't know. Here's another gift.
Oh, oh my! Handmade baklava! Should I eat it now? No.
While we're driving.
Alright guys, so on this episode of Mess Machine, we're going to be eating handmade baklavas. Nice little thing that it's in. Oh no. This makes more racket than the Pop-It toy opening handmade baklava. It's basically like Greek candy almost.
Yeah,
But
it's a cross between candy and dessert.
yeah, it's a cross between like, no, I wouldn't say dessert. It's a cross between candy and cake, sort of. They should make a Greek squid game and instead of honeycomb.
It's like Dana.
Ooh. But it's only honey and nut. Alright guys, so. Ow. It's so hard to open. These are cold. They discontinued the baklava at our store. Do I just bite it?
What, is it open?
Yeah. I
You put it in the
unwrapped it.
wrapper?
Oh no, do I have to pop it out?
No, pull it out a little bit.
Oh no, there's a mess inside. There's loose honey dripping.
There is not.
Oh, I have to eat it out of this. Oh, crap. This is something that I might need a fork for. Didn't expect it to be inside.
How messy is it, Sam?
It's inside of a tub.
Let me see.
Look, look, look. It's inside a plastic tub.
Weird. Okay, well.
How am I-
Enjoy it. That looks pretty good.
Pistamia.
Very sticky.
I'm gonna just pop it up and eat it. Ooh la la. I hope you guys are really hungry. I don't know. You're hungry right now? Thank you for watching your graces of Staten Island.
Are you done recording?
No.
No, you're still recording?
Can you take this? Yes?
What?
Yeah, empty plastic pack. What?
Is there with the rest of your presents?
Mom,
Yes.
can you put them on the floor?
Silly, I can't do anything with them while I'm driving. Nobody's gonna take the car down.
Yeah, I mean once we're parked. My hands are sticky. Yay. Per piece is 130 calories, 14 grams of sugar, 2 grams of protein. Greek game.
So is it good? Do you like it?
Mhm. Thanks to y'all, I could give y'all some Pop-It ASMR. Yeah, it's a bunch of baklava. Baklava.
Yeah, everybody pronounces it baklava now, but everybody, when I first started eating it, used to say baklava.
It's balaclava. Balaclava. Baklava!